just remembered something. I think I left the faucet running. My words are filling up and up. Calling you just soaking in it, but I know you'll get out the minute you notice all your fingers burning up. I'm tired of being careful, tender, trying to keep the water warm. Let me under your skin.
Hi YouTube, welcome back. I am doing another one of my cute little outfits that are affordable and cheap, but like you still feel like you look stylish and yes, awkward, sorry, whatever. I'm doing another one of these videos. You saw the title, you saw the intro, so let's just get right into it, okay? These shoes, these little boots here, these cute boots, these are from New Look, which I got when I was in England. But the thing about these boots, guys, you can literally find boots like this anywhere, and they can cost you, they'll cost you like 20 bucks, 25 bucks, 30 bucks max. That's a good price for a cute pair of shoes. I'm just saying, I wear these and I get so many compliments, it's ridiculous. I don't own a $90 pair of boots. These boots were literally like $30. And I was like, yes, yes. And I can pretty much wear them with almost like so many different outfits. They're so diverse and they're like the perfect cute little boots to wear during winter time. And I can wear them with like leggings, with jeans, with like cute high-waist shorts, with like cute sweaters and dresses. Like I can do so many outfits with these boots. They're literally a game changer. So there you go. Okay, so like you saw in my outfit, this sweater, la la la. The sweater is super comfy. It is from, maybe awkward and pull the tag around. What does it say? Made in China, guys. The vintage collection. No, 9 West. Vintage America collection. Okay, well, here I am being a fraud again. So this is from 9 West. This sweater is super comfortable. Like I just wear it with like a little tank top underneath. And it's just like cozy. It's just super cozy. This was a giveaway item, not a giveaway item. Sometimes you have friends or family that is either giving away clothes or they don't want it anymore or something. I got this sweater from my mom. If you do have other women in your life, like, that sounds kind of funny, but like a sister or a sister-in-law or a mom, for example, like we can, not all the time, because some people are like really picky, depends. I don't know, sometimes it's fun to raid somebody else's closet, as long as they're okay with it. The point I'm trying to make is, one man's trash is another man's treasure. In this case, one woman's giveaway clothes is another woman's new wardrobe. That's the point I'm trying to make. So sometimes you just gotta like jump up on those giveaway clothes, those like thrift store clothes, those Salvation Army clothes that is like on its way, and you just gotta dive in. Okay, we're done with the sweater. Next thing, these leggings, guys, they're not even leggings. These are basically tights, but they are like the thicker ones, so they're not totally see-through. They're stockings, tights, whatever you want to call them. They're super comfortable, these ones. I also got them in New Look, but you can literally find tights or stockings anywhere. Like you could go to Target, you could go to Walmart, you could go to Payless, you could buy them on Amazon, you could go to Forever 21. Like, they're so cheap. I don't even know how much these were because I just bought a bunch of them, but I guarantee you they were under $5. I can also, similarly with these, I can do so many things with them. I can wear them with a dress. I can just wear I can wear them with shorts on, or like a big oversized sweater, like with boots, with high heel. Like you can do so many things, guys. And obviously, like tights and stockings, they're very like wintry because you can just throw on the big cozy sweater and a pair of boots, and it's like, yes, you were so set. Okay. Next point in question. I was wearing shorts. I'm wearing shorts over these stockings because they are not leggings and they're kind of like ever so slightly see-through, and the sweater isn't quite long enough, so I don't feel So I don't feel super comfortable just like wearing, you know, just wearing it without anything. I have these black jeans that I had. Those jeans literally came from Walmart for like $9. And you know what I did? I cut them and I made them into shorts. Because I didn't want another pair of black jeans, and I was like, I want black shorts. I don't have black shorts. I literally just cut them. And they're great. I throw them over leggings, or in the summertime when it's hot, I'll just wear them as shorts. And they're just a pair of black shorts that I now own. And it was very cheap. So that is, oh wow, did we really cover everything? Yeah, guys, we covered everything. Makeup can like complete the look, whatever look you're trying to go for, however you do your makeup. This is how I did my makeup today. And it was sort of like a wintry, December-y type of feel. So I felt like it fit with my outfit, with like the cozy feeling. But it just like kind of takes it to the next level where you're like, whoa, this girl's stylish and has class. But like, nah, guys. I mean, yes, but like, nah. Like, yes, but like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. It's just so easy, I guess. So you can see the video of how I did this look, if you'd like. And then I threw in some earrings, guys. Some like shiny, glimmery, diamondy. These are not real diamonds, trust me. These earrings are cute hoop earrings I got years ago from, I'm pretty sure it was like one of these stores in the mall, like Forever 21. Where did I even get these? I think they were a gift, but these are not real. I do not own expensive earrings at all because I'm the kind of person that will do, like, I'll sleep in my earrings, I'll shower with them on, I'll swim, I'll go to the beach with them on, and I just forget that I have them in, and then I lose them a lot. So I pretty much like just recycle earrings. Recycle? No, I just like rotate through earrings. So yeah. So I think in total, my outfit was like 30, 35, 45, and plus this free sweater because it was a giveaway sweater, which is a good deal. Okay, well that was today's little like winter lookbook. Simple, cute outfits that are affordable and cheap, but like still look cute. So yeah, guys, all right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you have not yet. Be sure to click that subscribe button and give me some support. Give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Just give it a thumbs up if you liked this outfit, or if you liked my makeup, or if you liked anything about this video at all. Okay guys, till next time.
Fingers